Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So from last few days, Indian stock market is falling a lot. And what is the reason behind that? Because each and every investor whom I am talking, he is telling that why it is falling. We are not able to understand what is the reason behind the fall. So today, because of all that request, I am going to make a video where I am going to show you each and every reason why this market is falling from last few days and how this global impact is happening on the Indian stock market, because there are a lot many global factors going on, and these are the main reason why Indian stock market is falling. So guys, stay till then because you are going to get lot of insight in this video. So friends, hello, welcome everyone. My name is CA Tapan Doshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, let us start with the what are the reasons which are leading to this market fall. Okay, so first of all, let us talk about first reason. And first reason and the foremost reason is Corona crisis. Now, yes, again the Corona crisis is actually leading his head up, and you can talk about that, and that is where China is having a problem with the coronavirus. Now, most of the cases and the new cases are coming up in China, and China, actually, if you are tracking China, from last, you can say 1 month, they open up everything. Okay, slowly and gradually, each and every week they are opening up. Before that, was 6 months, they were having a severe lockdown across the China cities, and the reason was simple: they were having a zero COVID policy. Now I understand, and you also understand, that in this world to follow zero COVID policy in such a populous country, which is one of the most populous country in the world, is so difficult. And as a result of that zero COVID policy, many economic activities was hampering in China, and as a result, their GDP was going down. So the internal public was quite furious, and there were lot many rebel going on across the countries, and no protests were going on. That yes, they don't want zero COVID policy because they are also seeing across the world the economic activities going on. There is no zero COVID policy across the world. So China people, no, China citizens were so much no in actually angered. But you also know, being a communist country, no, China normally suppress everything. But this China public is seeing the Qatar World Cup and across the world, no, that people are roaming here and there easily. They are having their economic activity easily, and understand one thing: if the economic activity stops, if the industry stops of running, no, because of the zero COVID policy, of course it will hit their bread and butter, correct? And as a result, there are a lot of protests. So because of that, China government, which normally does not go down, but yes, this time they thought, okay, let us liberal everything, and let us open up slowly and gradually. And when they started opening gradually, no, you can see the now cases in China is going up very fast. But yes, China people also and China government also is thinking that this they have to live with this COVID situation because it may not go in one day. So they are coming. So as a result, cases are increasing. But the thing is, no, there is always a scares in the world. The thing happened in 2020. That is January, February, March. Like on that day when the cases started increasing across, the same situation does not come up again. And as a result, no, there is a fear in the market, and which is what keeping the stock market completely down now onwards. And so, yes, first thing is China slowing down, and because of the China COVID policy which they liberal, now the China basically COVID cases are coming up, and this is one of the reason why, which is why market is in fear and market is going down. Now let us talk about the second most fearful factor is nothing but US recession. Yes, you heard it right. That yes, this talk was there from last so many months. The US may go into recession and everything. But yes, the way the things are going on, the way the Fed is increasing the interest rate and everything, it may happen that in next few months. And actually, that is what spoking the US stock market. And if you see US Nasdaq fallen a lot from last 2 3 weeks, and even Dow Jones also. And as a result, across the world, the stock market is going down. Europe is already is in a recession because of this tightening of policy and everything against the inflation was quite up. If you talk about inflation, in basically Europe and some of the countries like UK, the inflation was above 11%. Now, because they have started increasing the rate, of course, inflation is cooling down, but it is not coming down as fast as possible. Talking about US also, at one time US reached the inflation of 9.5%. Now it is 7.1%. But the problem is no, the inflation is not coming down as fast as it should come. And as a result, what is happening? This is what market is fearing, because if the inflation does not come down fast, and if you talk about job data, also no, it is quite strong. Even yesterday, the GDP data was announced. That was also quite strong in US, and that is what is spooking market. Yes, then the Jan Powell, that is the Fed chairman, will not reduce the rate easily. They will take time and they will keep higher interest rate for a longer time. Anyway, Jan Powell already told that 2023 will be remaining the higher rates. Maybe 2024, 2025, slowly and gradually, they are going to bring down the interest rate. Now, guys, think about that. Interest rate is almost reached to 5%. Okay. Their, their target of inflation is 2%. Currently, inflation is 7.1%. So you can see the gap between 2% and 7.1%. That gap, to bridge that gap, no, you can think about how much US has is to increase the interest rate. But if they start increasing rate like this, if you talk about current interest, it is around 5% in US, which is very high for US public, okay, US citizen, because see, they have never seen this type of interest, and this is what's spooking the market, that yes, economy will scenario will go down very fast, and that will have a bad impact on the overall economic activity, and the production will go down, and there will be a big recession coming up. Now, we are not saying that the recession will be prolonged, but yes, recession is going to come in next few months in US. Talking about Europe also, now it is still in a recession, and the one of the main reason why they are in recession is because of high inflation, and high inflation is there because of the you can say crude oil prices and the gas prices, which is on a elevated level because of the Russia-Ukraine crisis. Again, the Russian-Ukraine crisis is not going down, it is still going on, and there is no sign that they are going to cool off. Correct? So during this difficult time, Europe is in a very, very bad situation. So the thing is, one of the leg, which is Europe, if you talk about three, four pillars which is there in the world, is one is the Europe, USA, China. All these three legs no, are is in a very weak situation, and all are increasing interest rate. Of course, China in between done the liquidity, everything, and trying to cool off the market. And but China is also having their real estate problem and so many other problems. So when the all the three legs, that is China, Europe, USA, are in a problem, no, this will overall impact the world completely. Correct. So now the situation is that Indian economy is quite resilient. Okay, Indian GDP is quite good. Of course, we are around 6.7, 6.8%, but that is also the highest among the world. And even in the next decade, India is going to perform a lot compared to the world level. Because if you talk about world level, IMF projected world may grow around 3.3% something, but India may go down 6.5, 6.6%. So it is almost double of what IMF is projecting. And that is, I know people are very much bullish in Indian stock market. Even if you talk about Indian stock market, no, we touch all time high almost 1 month back, correct? And that is the reason. That is the reason, even in this type of tough situation, India will not face a big issue. But the problem is when the world market is going down, we will also go down along with them. Okay, so currently, if at the time I'm shooting this video, we are at around 18,100 Nifty level. We may go down to 17,500 or something like that also if the world market goes down and down. But one thing I want to tell you, one thing, that yes, India is going to grow like anything. Correct. And as a result of from here also, the future of India looks good. So my suggestion is to buy at each and every level and each and every dip, because you are getting again a participating time, because many of retail investors got actually not surprised the way Indian market touch all time high, from because from the month of February when we touch around 15,200, we touch around 19,000 by the end of or mid of December. And that is the reason many of the retail investor does not participate. But now if you are getting a time, if you are getting a stock at a good level to invest, my suggestion is to do invest without fail, because the reason is simple. Once you start investing, no, you will get the time to review also. And again, see, understand one thing, you cannot catch the bottom, you cannot catch the bottom. So at the end of the day, you have to buy at each and every dip. At the end, if you are staying for a long term, like 5 years, 10 years, at that time you will see the complete gain only. You are not going to see whether I have bought that stock 5% down or 10% down. No, you will see the 200%, 300% gain only. So that is the reason, buy it at every dip, select a sector, select a good stock, and start investing in Indian stock market. Indian economy is not facing any type of issue. It is quite resilient. It is just because the world level market is falling, we will also fall along with them. Yes, we may touch 20,000 level maybe in 1 or 2 years, but yes, current scenario is that yes, we may go down. So guys, keep this in mind and do invest whenever you're getting a right opportunity in an economy. Okay, so hope you got this point and hope you like this video. Just click the like button and do subscribe to your video. And guys, just let me know in the comment box what do you think about Indian economy and the world economy correct. I'll be watching your each and every comment. I'll reply that comment also. So guys, see you soon. And if you have any suggestion that any video, specific video you want to make me to prepare, just write down and let me know in the comment box. So guys, I'll see you soon. See you next time. Bye.